Hello, this is how to add an audio comment for a discussion board. Same goes for video comment, in case you were wondering. So here is a discussion board, and it says, choose 4 comments you made in the previous assignment. You just take a piece of that and create an audio comment. So in here, you'll have to click the box first. You have to type something in order to actually post it. So you'll say, my audio comment. And then right here is a audio video recording. So for the audio comment only is here, audio and video is here. So audio only, and I don't actually think it will let me because I'm doing 2 things at once, but let's try. Okay, so here I am. Hi, I chose this answer and here's why I picked it. Stop recording. Now, if you mess up, you can just start it again, okay? So you can insert recording, or I could go here and exit out of it and try it again. Because I know how you guys feel about video and audio recordings. Okay, so I chose this comment, and here's what I wrote. Here's was the question, and this is the answer. Stop recording. And then insert. That was a great answer, Miss Leslie. Good work. All right. I do think that you can edit details. Yeah, add a title. So if you wanted, because this is just going to download and it'll save, so if you want, you can give it a title like, this is my 4 C's comment or something like that, and then you post it. This is another thing. So when you're listening to somebody's audio comment, it's giving you this big, long thing, and if you click that, it'll download it. But also this little button here, it says it's not working right now, but it will be ready in a little bit. And when it is ready, it'll say, or it'll have a sound, or it'll say view. And you can click that and it will appear right in front of you instead of downloading. But you can do either one. All right, ask if you have any questions. Thank you for listening.